application. Everybody finished? Okay, good. Do you have any doubts? Okay, children, today we are going to start our new chapter. Second chapter, numbers from 10 to 50. Today we are going to start second chapter, numbers from 10 to 50. In previous chapter we learned up to 9. We learned from 1 to 9. In this chapter we are going to learn from 10 to 50. Okay, children? Now this is a basket. I kept some chalks in this basket. Now can you count how many chalks are there in this basket? See here. How many chalks are there in this basket? 1, 2, 3. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chalks are there. So how many chalks are there in that basket? How many chalks are there? 5 chalks are there. From these 5 chalks, I took 1 chalk. Now how many chalks are there? How many chalks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 chalks are there. How many chalks left? 4 chalks. Again I took 1 more chalk from these 4. Now how many chalks left? How many chalks are there? 1, 2, 3 chalks are there. Okay. Again I am taking 1 more chalk from that 3 chalks. So here again I took 1 more chalk. Now how many chalks left? Only 2 chalks. Only 2 chalks left. From these 2 chalks I took 1 more chalk. Now how many chalks are left? Only 1 chalk. Only 1 chalk is left. Okay. So I am taking 1 more chalk from that basket. Now how many chalks are there? How many chalks are there? None. So not there any. It means none. Not there any chalk. So none. Next. Similarly here I bought some books. See here, how many books are there? How many books on the table now? How many books are there on the table? 1, 2, 3, 4 books are there. So how many are there? 4 books are there. Now how many books are there on the table? How many books are there on the table? 1, 2, 3 books are there. So how many books are there? 3 books. Next, how many are there? Again I took 1 more book. Now how many books are there? 1, 2. How many books left? 2 books. Next. Again I took 1 more book. Now how many books left? Now how many books left? Only 1 book is left. Now I took this one also. I took this one also. Now how many books are there? How many books are there? Nothing. Not there any book. So that means nothing. Not there any book. Not there any book. I took 1 book from here. So not there any book. Similarly, here 3 apples are there. 3 apples are there. 3 apples in 1 basket. This is the basket. So 3 apples are there in that basket. So from that 3 apples, I took 1 apple. I took 1 apple. Then how many apples are there in that basket? only 2 apples are there. Again I took one more apple from basket. Now it is with 1 apple. And one more apple is there now. So I took that apple also. Now that basket is empty. That basket is empty. Not there any fruit. Not there any fruit. That means it is empty. Empty means how many are there? Empty means not there anything, no? So this is nothing but 0. Understood? Empty is 0. Here books also nothing is there. So nothing is there means 0 books are there. And next none. In that basket chalks are there. Now I took all the chalks one by one. I took all the chalks. So none. So this is also 0. Understood? None, nothing, empty. All those means 0. Not there anything means 0. So do you know what is the member name of 0? This is 0 like a circle. Understood? This is 0. Its spelling is Z-E-R-O, 0. Understood? Its spelling is Z-E-R-O, 0. Okay? Now we are going to learn the concept of 0. So 0. Once open your content book, page number 21, textbook. Open page number 21. See here, one branch is there. So on that branch, some birds are there. So how many birds are there on the branch? In first picture, how many birds are there on the branch? 3 birds are there. One bird flies away. So one bird, see here, look at this bird. One bird flies away. Then how many birds are left? How many birds are left on the branch? 1, 2 birds are left on the branch. And next, in third picture, one more bird flies away. See here, in first picture, 3 birds on the branch. In second picture, one bird flies away. And more 2 birds on the branch. In third picture, one more bird flies away. In third picture, one more bird flies away. Then how many birds are left? Only one bird is left. Next, in fourth picture, one bird flies away again. More one bird is there now in third picture. In fourth picture, that bird also flies away. Then how many birds are left on the branch? So how many birds are left on the branch? None. So none is nothing but there is no bird. None is nothing but 0. So 0 is O. Understood? Like O it is, like a circle. None, nothing, empty, nil. So for all those we have to write 0. Its spelling is Z-E-R-O, 0. Understood? So 0 represents absence of something. Absence of something means if not there anything. Understood? See here 3 birds are there, 1 bird flies away, 2 birds left. From these 2 again 1 bird flies away, 1 bird left. Now this one also flies away. So nothing is there. Nothing is there. That means 0. So 0 represents absence of something. Absence of something. Actually, on the branch, birds are there now. So all birds flies away. So because of that, birds are absent. Because of that, it is 0. Empty means it is 0. In basket also, I kept some chalks. So I took all the chalks one by one. I took all the chalks. So how many chalks are left? Nothing is there in that basket. So it is empty. That basket is empty. Empty is nothing but 0. Understood? So the chalks are absence. Because of that absence, it becomes 0. Okay. Next. So 0 represents absence of something. Now what is this spelling? Can you read this number name? E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next. What is this? What is its spelling? 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. So 11. 11. And this is 14. Now so this is the jumbled words. So here you can find the number name. Here you can find the number name. What is that number name? So can you find the number name here? F-T-E-E-I-N-F. So it is nothing but 15. It is nothing but 15. So do you know the number names from 11 to 20? From 11 to 20 number names. So numbers from 10 to 20 in your textbook page number 22. See here, let us learn numbers from 10 to 20. Here, how many crayons are there in first set? How many are there? If you want, you can count. Otherwise, already they are given your number. 10 crayons are there. So it is nothing but T-E-N 10. Next, in second picture, 10 crayons in this set, and besides that, one more crayon. So 10, 11. It is 11. What is 11 spelling? E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next, 12. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. After that, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Next, 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Next, 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Next, 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 10 10. T-E-N 10. 11 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12 12. TWELVE 12. 13 13. THIRTEEN 13. 14 14. FOURTEEN 14. 15 15. FIFTEEN 15. 16 16. SIXTEEN 16. 17 17. SEVENTEEN 17. 18 18. EIGHTEEN 18. 19 19. NINETEEN 19. 20 20. TWENTY 20. What is zero spelling? Zero spelling is ZERO. Zero. Zero spelling. Zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. Zero represents the absence of something. Understood? Absence of something. Zero represents the absence of something. And 10 to 20 number names. 1 0 10. Read all of you. 1 0 10. 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2 0 20. Okay. So TEN 10. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12. THIRTEEN 13. FOURTEEN 14. FIFTEEN 15. SIXTEEN 16. SEVENTEEN 17. EIGHTEEN 18. NINETEEN 19. TWENTY 20. Understood? So 20. Read 3-4 times. Okay? Learn 10 to 20 number names. Now, do you know how to write 21, 22 up to 30 number names? 20 after. Next, turn the page. Page number 23. Here in one jar, maybe these are oranges. So in one jar 10 oranges are there. So 10, 20 and 1. 21. 2, 1, 21. So how to write 21's number name? 20. TWENTY 20 and 1. 21. Okay. 2, 1, 21 now. So its number name is 21. TWENTY 20. ONE 1. 21. 2, 2, 22. 20 spelling TWENTY 20. TWO 2. 22. Next 2, 3, 23. TWENTY 20. THREE 3. 23. Next 2, 4. 24. TWENTY 20. FOUR 4. 24. Next 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. TWENTY 20. FIVE 5. 25. Next 2, 6. 26. TWENTY 20. 6, 26. Next 27. TWENTY 20. SEVEN 7, 27. 28, 28. TWENTY 20. EIGHT 8, 28. 29, 29. 29. 30, 30. 30 spelling is different. THIRTY 30. So if you know 20 spelling, you can write number names from 21 to 29. 21, 21. TWENTY 20. ONE 1, 21. Read all of you. TWENTY 20. ONE 1, 21. Next 2, 2, 22. TWENTY 20. TWO 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. TWENTY 20. THREE 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. TWENTY 20. FOUR 4, 24. TWENTY 20. FIVE 5, 25. Next 2, 6, 26. TWENTY 20. SIX 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. TWENTY 20. SEVEN 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. TWENTY 20. EIGHT 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. TWENTY 20. NINE 9, 29. 30, 30. THIRTY 30. Understood? THIRTY 30. Next 0 spelling is ZERO 0. Now once open your content books. So circle the number for each number name. Circle the number for each number name. See here in page number 24. Circle the number for each number name. First one is completed already. Listen remaining. Practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. So TWELVE 12 finished. Next 0. Where is 0? So you have to circle the 0. In these three numbers, which one is 0? Is it 0 or this is 0 or this is 0? Which one is 0? This is 0 now. So circle 0. Next one 19. NINETEEN 19. So which is 19? 17 is 19, 26 is 19 or 19 is 19? Which one is 19? 19. Circle that. Similarly, complete remaining. More 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So complete these 7. So page number 24, practice zone 1 in textbook. Along with this, you have to learn number names from 0 to 30. Okay children, you have to learn number names from 0 to 30. Your homework is page number 24. Page number 24. Practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. in textbook. In textbook. You have to complete page number 24 in textbook. Along with this, you have to learn. No need to write. Understood? Learn 1 to 30. 1 to 30 number names. Okay children? You have to learn number names from 1 to 30. Learn అంటే నేర్చుకోండి. No need to write. Don't write. Only learning. You have to learn the spellings from 1 to 30. Next page number 24. Already one is given in textbook and two sums I explained. So here number name is given. You have to circle the number. Understood? You have to circle the number. Circle the number for each number name. 29. You can identify 29 and circle that. 30. Identify 30 from these and circle that. 25. Identify 25 and circle 25. Next 22. Identify 22, 28, 23 and 26. Up to 30 only given. Understood children? Along with these sums, you have to learn 1 to 30 number names also. Okay?